Hi guys, welcome back to Principal Ideas and thank you for clicking on this video. I know you saw a lot of videos about the same topic, but you chose to click on this one. Thank you very much. In today's video, I will show you how to get a free USA number for free without any credit card. So what you have to do is to activate the VPN. Video link is in the description, okay? And make sure you comment down below if you don't understand anything in this video. Yes, so what you have to do is to head over to Play Store and search for this app called Free Call. Okay, Free Call app, and then you just have to open it and then click on sign up. Make sure you input your email and then input your password. They will send you a verification email link and then just have to tap on it and you confirm. Okay, yes, and after that make sure you add more credits by watching ads and then also checking in daily. You get point. Okay, yes, and then you just have to click on set my phone number and then you just have to, so the trick here is that you just have to go to Google and then you search for SMS verification. I'll put the website link in the description box, and then make sure you check your VPN to is active. Okay, make sure it is connected. Yes, so once it is connected you just have to get back to Google and then you tap on the website. Okay, receive SMS. Okay, then let me choose North America, and then they will give you a free USA number. Okay, you just have to tap on, let me choose this very first one. So you just have to tap on it and then you copy the number, and then you get back to the free call app, you tap on set my phone number. So let me add some few credits and then you proceed. Okay, so you just have to add some few credits. So yes, and then make sure you don't click any of these ads. Okay, you just have to paste the number over it. Let me remove the plus one from there, then you just have to tap on get code. Okay, you just have to tap on get code. It says my point is what 338, but it requires what 469. So what you have to do is to go back and then you add some few credits. Okay, yes.
A few moments
So
later.
a few moments later you just have to like this video and then make sure you subscribe, okay, to join this small family, because we'll be dropping more helpful content for you. Okay, yes. So after subscribing and liking this video, you just have to click on get code, and then they will send you a verification code to the number that we copied from the SMS verification website. So get back to the website. Now you can see it is over here. It says what your free, just have to refresh the page and then you see it says what your free call verification code is what 170239. So you just have to enter the code over here, 170239. So let me check whether it's correct. Oh, okay, it's correct. So make sure you like this video and also subscribe. Okay, your number will be set for you. Okay, yes, because this number can be used for only calls. In the next video I will drop how to get a number that will allow you to use it for us. Make sure you subscribe so that you'll be notified by YouTube, okay, when I drop that video. Okay, yes. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.